Hello and welcome to our beautiful green garden in Bangladesh. Today, I would like to take you on a short journey through a peaceful and natural place near our home. At the beginning of the video, you can see several beautiful moringa trees. Moringa is a very familiar tree in Bangladesh. It grows well in our climate and is commonly found around homes, gardens, and rural areas. The green leaves and branches make the surroundings look fresh and beautiful. Moringa is also well known for its nutritious leaves and long green pods, which are commonly used in Bangladeshi cooking. Now, let us take a look at the jackfruit tree. Jackfruit is one of the most popular fruits in Bangladesh and is an important part of our rural culture. These large trees provide shade and make the environment greener and more pleasant. The combination of moringa trees, jackfruit trees, and other plants creates a peaceful natural atmosphere. Now the camera is slowly moving to show the larger boundary area. Inside this large boundary, there are many trees and different types of green plants. This place is not only beautiful, but it also shows how land around a home can be used for nature, farming, and greenery. Trees give us shade, support a healthy environment, and create a natural home for birds and other small animals. Keeping more trees around us can make our surroundings cleaner, greener, and more peaceful. This is a simple example of how nature and everyday life can exist together. Let us continue and explore more of this beautiful green space. As we continue our journey, you can see more of the green area inside the boundary. There are different plants growing here, and every part of this land has its own purpose. Now we are moving toward the farming area. Here, you can see our cultivated plants growing in the soil. Farming requires patience, regular care, and hard work. From preparing the soil to planting, watering, removing unwanted plants, and taking care of the crops, every step is important. Growing plants in our own land also gives us the opportunity to stay connected with nature. When we see a small plant slowly growing into a healthy crop, it gives us a special feeling of satisfaction. Agriculture is an important part of life in Bangladesh. Millions of people are connected to farming, and farmers work every day to produce food for our communities. Even a small piece of land can be useful when it is properly planned and cared for. Now we are moving toward the area where grass is being grown for cattle. Green grass is an important source of food for cows and other livestock. Having a dedicated grass growing area can help provide fresh feed for cattle. Agriculture and livestock farming can work together very well. Plants provide food for people and animals, while livestock can also become an important part of a small farming system. This kind of environment shows how different activities can be combined within one piece of land. Trees, crops, grass, and livestock can all be part of a simple and productive rural lifestyle. The beauty of this place comes not only from the trees and plants, but also from the work and care that goes into maintaining it. Let us continue to explore the rest of this green environment. Now we are looking at the area from a wider view. You can see the large boundary, the green trees, the cultivated area, and the grass for cattle. Everything comes together to create a peaceful and natural environment. The moringa trees, jackfruit trees, farming area, and green grass all have their own importance. This kind of place reminds us how valuable nature and agriculture are in our daily lives. We do not always need a very large farm to start growing plants. With proper planning, even a small area can be used for trees, crops, vegetables, or grass for livestock. The most important things are care, patience, and regular attention. Bangladesh is known for its green villages, fertile land, hardworking farmers, and beautiful natural surroundings. Our rural environment is an important part of our culture and our way of life. By planting more trees and using our land wisely, we can make our surroundings greener and more productive. We should also remember that protecting nature is not only our responsibility today. It is also our responsibility toward future generations. The trees we plant today can provide shade, fruit, and a better environment for the people who come after us. The farming we do today can also teach the next generation the value of hard work and respect for the land. This beautiful place is a simple example of how nature, farming, and everyday life can come together. Thank you for joining us on this journey through our green space in Bangladesh. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us for more videos about agriculture, nature, farming, and rural life. We will continue to share more beautiful moments and stories from Bangladesh. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and stay connected with nature. See you again in our next video.